here, and today we're going to go through my 5 favourite pizza items and accessories that the outdoor pizza cook would find very useful and would make a great gift for friends and family. Let's do it. Pizza peels. A practical gift for your pizza loving outdoor cook fan would be a pizza peel. It's really nice to have a good choice available to you for cooking. There's the Ooni 7-inch turning peel that can be used in pizza ovens up to 12 inches. And there's also the Epicottispie wooden pizza peel, which is made in Italy, and it's great for launching pizza into the oven. You just gently rub some semolina onto the top of the peel, and then you pull your dough on, and that pizza will just slide into your pizza oven so easily. I highly recommend the wooden Epicottispie pizza peel. If you have a larger oven, for example a 16-inch pizza oven, you will need a bigger pizza peel because your pizza will be bigger. I would go for any pizza peel up to 14 inches to be used in that oven. I use a 12-inch pizza peel in my 16-inch oven because I like to have some room to maneuver, but they do also make these peels in 14 inches. This is an Ooni peel. It's the 12-inch Ooni aluminium pizza peel, and I use that in the 16-inch pizza ovens. Learning how to make pizza dough is fabulous. You learn all about the yeasts and the flours and hydration and all those things, but the main thing is getting the kneading right. And I'm not a great hand dough kneader. I want consistent results. The best way for me to get consistency every time with my pizza dough is using a bread maker. A bread maker is a machine that makes dough, all types of dough, and I use it to make pizza dough because my bread machine has got a pizza dough option. So if you're looking for a bread machine as a gift for yourself or your family and friends, make sure it's got the pizza dough option for this, and if it has, it'll create lovely pizza dough for you. I use the Panasonic bread maker. It does have a pizza dough option. I've been using it for a very long time and I love it, and it always produces consistent, beautifully kneaded dough ready to be used. Recently I bought a stainless steel preparation board, and I found it the most practical thing to have because you can use it inside or outside. So if you are cooking pizza outside, then you will need to prepare your pizza. So instead of preparing your pizza inside and then taking it out, this preparation board gives you the practical area you need to prepare your pizza. You can put it on a table. It's got a lip coming down. It's not got a sharp edge. It's also got soft pads underneath, and those will allow you to put your preparation board safely onto a table that you want to protect as well. I leave mine outside all the time. They all come in different sizes, so I've got one that's smaller for a smaller table, and I've got my larger one for my outdoor kitchen area. I've really benefited from the use of it, and they're very, very practical. I think that one of the most important practical gifts or items or accessories that somebody who's a huge pizza fan and cooks outdoors needs is a digital thermometer. The reason why it's so important is because you need to know what the temperature of the stone will be before you launch your pizza into the oven, and that stone temperature is critical to make sure the base is cooked at the same speed as the crust in your oven. I would highly recommend getting one. There are lots of brands out there. I've been using Etexity for a very long time, and I've just recently moved on to the Ooni. I like the green colour, very practical, suits my setup. I would highly recommend a digital thermometer for anybody who's new to pizza cooking and has just bought or going to buy a pizza oven. You just point the laser at the stone where you plan to launch your pizza. It tells you what the temperature is, and then you can launch your pizza in. I cook mostly on the pizza stone at a temperature of 430 degrees Celsius. So once you've hit that temperature, you can launch your pizza, but this tool is the perfect tool for the pizza cook. If you are thinking about making pizza at home, you may want to consider buying an outdoor pizza oven. A pizza oven comes in different sizes and weights. all of the ones that I use are portable, so you can put them out in your backyard or garden and then you can put them back into a safe storage area. They come in both 12 inches and 16 inches in size, which means that you can cook pizza up to 12 inches in the 12-inch pizza ovens to 16 inches in the 16-inch pizza ovens. There are many types of pizza ovens available. Gas-fired only pizza ovens. Then there are multi-fueled pizza ovens, and they can be used with gas, lump wood and wood. Then there's the wood pellet fired. So there's lots of choice. Depends on which fuel you like to cook with, or whether you want to cook with both fuels, wood and gas, or just gas only. It's personal preference. I enjoy cooking with all of the different types of fueled ovens. I don't have a preference. It's more of a personal thing for you. If you are looking into buying a pizza oven for someone, whether they or yourself would prefer to cook with gas or wood. I like cooking with them all, but gas is very easy to set up and the flame is very easy to adjust. So if you are new to pizza cooking, using a gas-fired pizza oven is very practical. For those who are looking to buy accessories or ovens for your friends, your family or yourself, check out my videos for helpful tips and real-time pizza cooks in a number of pizza ovens which are listed in my description of my videos. I also list the recipe that I use for that pizza cook as well. I have playlists listed of each pizza oven. There's a lot of videos of real-time pizza cooks, loads of tips, and if you enjoy watching shorts, I make a short video every week. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you've got any comments, please put them in the comment section below and I will answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.